Now, as per the use, it's going to decline. So we got a nominative, a genitive, a dative, and an appellative. We also have to have it either singular or plural. We're just going to in feminine right now. Okay. So, if I already have my base, I'm going to put that there. Cur. Stupid. Probably telling me to shut up right now, but we're almost done. There you go. That we have like this participial, there's like this formation here, where we will, there's basically an N or NT. First one is basically, and really it's more like that, like a, they're almost like a three formed thing. Look at that current right there. Then we put the endings on. This one is just a regular. Remember, like in third declension, the third declension nominative singular is so irregular that we just go, and then if we remember the endings of the third declension, mention endings. So it goes E-I-N-A. Mic dropped. Another color. To do it again. Regularity, it can be an E, but you're not really going to see it all that often, so don't worry about it very much. A's, just It almost looks, it kind of remember, but we're not calling it an I. Ebus. I'll change the, because this is masculine and feminine, so N will be neuter, but guess what? There's really not much difference. And I see you kind of like nodding your head already. Can you tell me which one would be a neuter?
Different?
Yeah.
Accusative singular?
In the neuter, the nominative in the cut. Let's go. That means that basically it's going to be for accusative singular, you guys, as the neuter, and it wouldn't be, all right, I'm just gonna write the whole thing. Cure ends again. So it's gonna be in the neuter, it's gonna be currents here. How about the other two? If I already said that the nominative and the accusative are always the same, then what's gonna be in the plural? We just gotta figure out what the plural ending is. What's a plural ending? With an I. See how we entertain that? So remember, it's almost like we're treating it. Think about this as like a proverbial I stem, but it's not. So that means that this would be curentia or curentia. And this would be also running. Of running, to or for running. Running is a direct object. By, with, from running. I'm starting to do the whole, back in the day, the blood thing. Probably get canceled for that nowadays. How are we feeling about that right now? That's a present active participle. I'm going to ask you guys to replicate this in only the masculine and feminine. I don't want to deal with the neuter. I will give you a word. It's probably going to be a mo, so think a mo. And remember how we first form it? So essentially, well, let's practice. How would we just form a mo, but let's make it into its dative singular. How about it? So you remember it goes amo, amare. I'm gonna say I was kind of wrong, not really wrong, but I'm gonna